Hi, it's Ginger from Ginger's Doll World, and I am so excited. I was at Dollarama a couple of weeks ago looking for crafting supplies, and you're not going to believe what I found. Fresh dolls at Dollarama. I quickly went through it to see if my favorite doll tuber was there, my Froggy stuff, but she wasn't. But that's okay. I grabbed all the fresh dolls and put them in my shopping cart. And now they are home, and I'm going to unbox them and get a closer look. This is Lynette. She is wearing a beautiful two-piece pink floral top and matching skirt. She's wearing a pair of gold-studded earrings. Her natural hair is in an afro puff. And she's wearing a pair of blue high heel shoes. And this is Mia. She's wearing a trendy ethnic print romper and a cute little black jacket. She's also wearing a pair of gold-studded earrings. And her hair is worn in a natural style. She's wearing a matching pair of black wedge heel shoes. Very cute. And this is Tamra. She's wearing a one-piece, colorful ethnic print dress with a halter top and wraparound skirt. She is also wearing a pair of gold-studded earrings, and she has long straight hair down to her waist. And a matching pair of blue wedge heel shoes, also very cute. All the fresh dolls are approximately 11.5 inches tall, not including the hair. They can bend and pose with articulated joints at the knees, hips, shoulders, and elbows, and the heads can turn from side to side. They are beautiful. I love these dolls. I'm going to keep checking the toy aisle whenever I go to Dollarama in case there are going to be any more fresh dolls. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Tell me down below what great finds you have found at the dollar store. Bye for now.